Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I guess running red lights is okay if you are unlicensed. I've seen rolling coal, but this is a new one for me. This driver claimed that a tow was too expensive and he just had to get it down the mountain.
The wheels go in the wrong direction. Oh, this is like a long episode of Tokyo Drift.
What's the idiot verdict here? The trucker or the car? All because she got pissed on me. He seemed to be in a rush. Have fun counting the idiots here. I don't think a single driver would be ready for that. I wonder how heavy those trailers are. Looks like someone was late to school. I am Speed. Bad drivers never miss their exit.
Staten Island, Rockville's Bridge.
Uh-huh. Went a little bit too quick there.
I don't want to be mean, but come on. This driver flew, but didn't make it around the sharp turn for the on-ramp.
12 seconds later.
This driver forgets how lanes on the road work.
Where the f are you going, man?
There must be some personal beef going on here. You are going the wrong way, mate. I'm convinced he wants to go to the bathroom. What did you get by doing all this? How not to drive in the snow? No need to check for traffic before turning.
Eventually.
Lord. The fuck, man. Just to get his exit. Oh my god. Fucking moron.
Could have been worse if I was a second further ahead. How to take an exit. Step 1. Don't do what this idiot did.
Gradually becomes your own person. It's such a funny, gorgeous to look at fantasy film that only Lanthimos could make. I mean, look, I really admire Nolan. I'm happy he's going to do something, but Nolan's a very meticulous filmmaker, right? He's super ego. Lanthimos is all id, he is a chaos agent, and I love it.
Can't wait to see who wins out. Now, a lot of first-time...
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.